Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an improvised center cap of a tire rim, especially if your rim is very old. Like our car, it's already 27-year-old car and it's very hard to find it online, the center cap. So what we're going to use is we're going to use an empty bottle like this, empty can of WD-40 or an empty can of this refrigerant or an empty can of a spray bottle. This still has something in it, and this one. So we're going to use this empty can of refrigerant. Okay. Okay, so if you don't have a grinder at home and or you're too afraid to use a grinder, you can just use an ordinary metal saw. Okay, it's very nice, very shiny. There are rough edges, so we will have to clean them out first. Okay, there are rust on the sides. We're also going to sand them away. Okay, so this is where this center cap came from, and I'm going to put it in here. I have a full video tutorial on how I did clean one of the rims of this car, and I will show it at the end of this demonstration. So there you go, you don't have to spend a single penny. So I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.